Hello friends and family, welcome to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoy this video. This beautiful client had not gotten her hair done in over 6 months. I pre-lightened her base with 8C30 volume, of course using the color line Colorly Italian Color. I love it. Here we start the real process of the highlights, the blonding. My formula is bleach, of course, with always Olaplex and 30 volume. I do love to use Olaplex in the blonder. It keeps the integrity of her curls and her hair. I am choosing to do chunkier highlights so she can get a more blonde effect. While you're watching the video, you can get a more visual effect of how I do the highlights to make her hair blonde. And yeah, she's completely natural. So this video is only about like 6 minutes long, but in reality, when I did her hair, it took me approximately about 2.5 hours. And that's from finish to end with the 2 different processes of color and blowing out her hair and flat ironing. I use the same technique pretty much all over her head. Family and friends, I hope you guys are finding this video easy to follow. Also, if you guys have any questions, if you look in my description box, I have left my email. Please email me any questions. And I also have several playlists if you'd like to see some of my previous videos. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Make sure you comment your favorite part and please give me a like on my video. It's so important when you work around the hairline, highlighting it, to get pretty close to the hairline. That detail matters because it makes the highlights look so much better and more precise. Here, if you notice, I'm doing the highlights a lot closer together so she can be pretty blonde up on the top. And I am definitely gonna give her a money piece in the front. Also, make sure not to overlap the bleach because overlapping will definitely cause breakage and we do not want that. Here's just a reminder that mostly after any highlighting service or blonding service or a service that your hair just becomes lighter, any chemical service, it's always smart to deep condition your hair with protein and moisture to keep the integrity of your hair and the health. It's always so important to check the color of the blonde, and this is the color I want it to be. Kind of a golden blonde. And this is what it looks like. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part. Until next time, friends. Bye.